Mr. Santos plans of applying direct instruction strategy. Which will he first do? Letter A, independent practice. Letter B, review the previous day's work. Letter C, guided student practice. Or letter D, project method. What is our choice? Tumpak na choice po natin dito would be review the previous day's work. Magpapa-review muna si Mr. Santos. Okay? So ito po yung ating steps no, for direct instruction. So review muna ng previous lesson or kung wala namang kailangang i-review, no? For example, first day of class, or first concept talaga ninyo, introduction of the lesson. Then after that development, ito na yung teaching proper ng ating teachers. Then after that, guided practice. Magpa-practice po yung ating mga estudyante, but it is guided. No? So paikot-ikot si teacher dito, i-check kung tama ba yung ginagawa nila. After that, you bring the topic no, to a close. Okay, so closure, you summarize. Okay, so summarize. All right, so today we have learned this. No? So again, ito po yung ating gagawin. And then after that, you leave the students on their own. Independent practice na po. And eventually, of course, evaluation would be the last step.